All right, here on a Saturday, do a little narrative with the Volkswagen and my friend. Say hi.
Hi.
Who is moving this car with me? And yes, you can see the Volkswagen is in. This is another episode of Who the Fuck's Volkswagen Is This Anyway? So I made this stand down here for those that have not up to date. We did a little work over here. Finished that. We'll get back to it later, but the episode of today is this. Is this going to make it in the shop? It has to get up that step. Is it going to make it? We'll soon find out. It has to go all the way over here, up this step, and into here, and then eventually this will get cleared out, and it'll go in here. All right, we'll be back. And we're back with Who's the Fuck Volkswagen Is This? Edit. We're back with Who's the Volkswagen. All right, there we are. All right, hold it there for a second, Liz.
Wait, I don't like the way I wheel up.
I know, because it's moving forward. So here we are. We're actually up over the ledge. This is what we concocted. I don't know if you can see it. Up there, off the collar ties, down to here. Jack. We're up, and now we just got to move it forward. So the next step we'll see in a minute. And here we are, it's Monday, and this is a quick look video wise. This is how far I got in. I removed one of the workbenches. I'm still cleaning up, so there's a lot to do. Let me take a walk around. Now, there's a lot of room here, but a lot of this stuff has to get moved over and condensed, so that's what I'm working on now. And this is where I'm going to be working next. So once I get this cleaned off, the workbench will be right there. Toolboxes will be over there. I'll have the welder back where I'm standing, and this should work out really well. And if I move this table down, get rid of that junk over there, some of this junk over here. This will just be some of this will be put away or organized. This will be a rolling cart. I have another rolling cart around here too. I think it's in the garage. And I'll just shoot over here. So right now the Nova is actually back in the garage, and it's a little beat up from being out, but it's back in the garage. There's some stuff to do to it. I'm not sure if I'm keeping it or if I'm selling it. It all depends upon whether I stay it. But this is the way the shop arrangement will be, and the Nova runs, so if I need to pull it out, I'll bring other vehicles in to work on them. I have some other things to work on in here, and a welder can live over in that corner, or it can come into the shop and live over here somewhere. So this would be garage, and this is shop. All right, so that's where it is, and there'll be more room soon.